Welcome. In this video I will tell you whether MacBook Air M5 has a camera. So the simple answer is yes, of course it does. It has a camera right above the display in the middle. It's a 12 megapixel camera with center stage support, which means that it can also follow your face when you're recording a video. Now, using AI technology that is presented in iPhones, and it also supports Full HD recording, which looks pretty decent when you record your face, but of course not close to your iPhone, which you can also use as your web camera. It has a built-in LED, so green LED light, which will always be activated when your camera is active, and there's no way to avoid it, which makes it a great security feature. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.